In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on NinjaTrader. Now, I'm going to show you two ways of doing it, and these are basically the two I usually use. So the first one is you can go to New up top, and then you can click on Chart over here, and you can select whatever chart you want to open up. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and into cryptocurrency, and I'm going to select Bitcoin USD. And then here, of course, you can set your chart however you like it. I'm just going to leave it as default, and I'm going to click on OK. And the chart is going to open up. Now, what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to actually leave it like this. You can, of course, full screen it as well if you want to. And then you want to click on here, where if you basically hover over it, it's going to say Chart Trader. Click on that and then click on Chart Trader again. And it's going to pop up this Chart Trader over here on your right-hand side. Now, here you can buy market, buy ask, sell ask, and buy and sell bid as well, and a bunch of other things as well over here, as you can see. And of course, what you can do is here set your quantity, and then you can go either day or any of the other ones, and the ATM strategy can either be none or custom, etc. Or you can just go on your chart and right click wherever you want and do a buy limit over here, or sell stop limit, whatever you want to do on the chart directly. So at the very point of you actually having your mouse button. So if I right click over here, buy limit 1, and then click yes, as you can see, there we go. My order has now been submitted. And yeah, so that's the first way of doing it. That's the first way of actually trading. The second way of you doing it is, I'm going to close this down right now. There we go. You can go ahead and click on new, and then you can click on basic entry, and you can of course create yourself an entry over here as well. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit more advanced than the one we were seeing earlier, but of course you can go ahead and trade on here as well. So those are the two options I usually use. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.